New fan of an Aussie payphone here. Not cheap out here though, that's dial tone. Here's a normal $2 coin. But what? $2 on the screen. Here's the coin we placed tone. It's in there. Oh, I can't see this, it's in there. But Diagonal house number, you'll hear dial tone again.
Alright, bye.
I'll show you one more time with it and I'm going to hang up and go in the chip shop, right? I'm not kidding you. Dial tone. Normal $2 coin, watch this. I'm not joking to you, watch. Ah, you went through that time, let's hang it up. But, you just saw that trick. I'll show you one more time when it comes to this. There's plenty of cars around here, guys. I'm in 7th Avenue right here. I'm at this payphone here. No, I'm not going to do it now. But this, if I went to a recess, I'll show you. Here you go, view of the payphone. So if you know there's a Macca's over there, I'm at the payphone. Once it does open, I'll show you. $2 on the screen. Damn it. Whoops, got me $2 coin. It's $2 coin. Still wedges, so wedges. I want to show you my house number. And I dialed the wrong number. 5. Don't know if you're about here, that's dial tone. Because I wanted to show you $2 in the return. Nothing in there. I'd set my coin out, but that's it.